vitamin B1 deficiency, repair nerve damage naturally through food. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that nerve damage, including issues like peripheral neuropathy, can often be linked to vitamin deficiencies, especially vitamin B1? The good news is you can support nerve repair naturally through the food you eat. In today's video, we'll explore the best natural food remedies to heal nerve damage, restore your health, and keep your nervous system functioning at its best. Understanding nerve damage and vitamin B1 deficiency. Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, occurs when nerves are damaged and fail to send signals effectively. One of the main culprits is vitamin B1 deficiency. This essential nutrient, also called thiamine, plays a vital role in maintaining healthy nerve function. Without it, you may experience symptoms like burning or numbness in your hands and feet, restless legs, or even problems with your vision and balance. Top natural foods for nerve repair. 1. Nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a powerhouse of vitamin B1 and other B vitamins. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to naturally boost their nerve health. Sprinkle it on salads, soups, or even popcorn for a delicious and nutritious addition. 2. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are packed with thiamine. Unlike refined grains, these maintain their nutrient profile and are perfect for supporting nerve repair. 3. Legumes. Legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are another great source of vitamin B1. They are also high in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar, a key factor in preventing nerve damage caused by diabetes. Supporting nutrients for nerve health. 1. Healthy fats. Fats play a crucial role in protecting nerve cells. Include foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon and mackerel in your diet. These healthy fats provide the omega-3 fatty acids essential for nerve repair and regeneration. 2. Vegetables rich in antioxidants. Vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, and bell peppers are rich in antioxidants. These help reduce inflammation, a common cause of nerve pain and damage. 3. Magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium helps relax nerves and muscles, reducing nerve pain. Foods like dark chocolate, almonds, bananas, and pumpkin seeds are fantastic magnesium-rich options. Foods to avoid for better nerve health. While adding the right foods is essential, avoiding certain foods is equally important. Stay away from refined carbs, alcohol, and excessive caffeine as they can deplete vitamin B1 levels. Additionally, minimize processed foods that are high in sulfites and phytic acid. Lifestyle tips to support nerve health. Along with a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, and proper hydration can go a long way in supporting nerve repair. Yoga and meditation are great tools to lower stress and improve your overall well-being. Vitamin B1 deficiency can cause significant nerve damage, but with the right foods and lifestyle choices, you can naturally repair and support your nerve health. Start incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your daily meals and take charge of your health today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Heal naturally, live vibrantly.